Hi guys! Today we are going to be learning our story vocabulary, our amazing words. This is something that we do in class, so I'm going to try and teach you the same way I teach it in class. It's not quite the same because you can't talk to your neighbor, but you can come up with your own sentences and you can see if you can guess the words. So hopefully this will be somewhat familiar for you. So this is our first word. Think if you can decide what you think this word is. 3, 2, 1. If you said annoy, you would be correct. So vegetables annoy him. You can see that he's staring at those vegetables and he is annoyed because he doesn't want to eat them. Annoy means bother or make someone feel upset or angry. So the word together, 1, 2, 3, annoy. Ants at a picnic annoy me. It is best not to annoy the big dog. We annoy our parents when we yell. So go ahead and pause this video and come up with a sentence for annoy and go ahead and tell somebody near you. All right. Here is our next word. I'm going to give you a minute to see if you can guess what that word is. If you said complain, you would be correct. He listens to her complain. Complain means say that you were unhappy about something. Let's say the word together, complain. People complain about the weather. Trey will complain if he thinks Anna has more than he does. I complain when I have to do my chores. So go ahead and think of a sentence using the word complain. Go ahead and pause this and tell somebody near you. Okay, here is our next word. This one's tricky to guess. See if you can guess that. I'll give you a sec to think about it. Pause it if you need to. If you said mumbles, which I will be shocked if any of you did, because that does not look like mumble to me. But if you said mumble, that is the word. This man looks down and mumbles. Mumbles means to speak too quietly. So if I want to talk like this, that would be mumbling. Let's say the word together, mumble. My sister mumbles when she is tired. Nervously, he mumbles his reply. Because the coach mumbles, the players have no idea what to do. Go ahead and think of your sentence for the word mumbles. Go ahead and tell it to somebody near you. All right, here is our next word. This one's a little tricky, but we'll see if you can guess it. I'll give you a minute on that. If you said PM, you were correct. That was a tricky one. At 10 p.m., the city shines. PM refers to the time between noon and 11:59 at night. Let's say the abbreviation together, PM. School gets out at 2 p.m., so our school gets out at 2:55 p.m. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. My favorite show comes on at 8 p.m. every Wednesday. Go ahead and tell someone near you a sentence using the word PM. All right, our next word. Give you a second to see if you can guess what that is. If you said shrugs, you are correct. The girl shrugs. Shrug means raise your shoulders briefly to show that you are not interested or do not know. Let's say the word together, shrugs. So a shrug might be like, Maya smiles and shrugs. He shrugs when he doesn't know the answer. I get annoyed when I ask a question and Ken shrugs. Go ahead and come up with your own sentence for shrugs. All right, this is a tricky one as well. We got a lot of tricky ones today. See if you can guess what that word might be. If you said signature, you are correct. The man writes his signature. A signature is the way you sign your name. Usually it's in cursive. Let's say the word together, signature. Claire has a beautiful signature. That tiny signature is hard to read. He wrote the signature on the check. Go ahead and come up with your own sentence for the word signature. All right, that is the end of our list of our words. So I hope you were participating with me and you were telling your parents or someone near you your sentences. If you didn't, go ahead and go back and do that.